What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and let's admit it, headphones and earphones have become a must-have accessory for everybody. This is essential as it gives you a better experience with your smartphone whenever you're watching videos, listening to music, and even taking calls. Everyone has a unique sound, and each person is identified by their personal taste, needs, wants, and dreams that ultimately reflect the way they live. Their lifestyle. That's why it's safe to say thus everyone perceives sound differently depending on their circumstances. Now, to cater this diverse range of preferences, JBL recently launched its newest line of sports and lifestyle headphones and true wireless earbuds. They sent us a few of these new models for us to check out and see if they can live up to the expectations their target market have. So first we have the JBL Live Pro Plus TWS and JBL Live Free NC Plus TWS earbuds. These are great options for those seeking to get a stylish companion for their Zoom calls now that the adoption of remote work has accelerated to the point that we don't expect everyone to return to the way things were a couple of years ago. Both models deliver JBL's signature sound with 28 and 21 hours playtime respectively. These also feature intuitive touch and voice assistant controls. The cases for both earbuds are compact and made of matte plastic. There are LED lights on the front to indicate the case's battery life. Flipping to its back, you'll see the USB-C port for charging and a pairing button for the JBL Live Free NC Plus TWS. Turning our attention to the details of these earbuds, we can see that both models are made of plastic with a silicone-like material, which feels sturdy enough but may need to be cleaned from time to time to maintain a pristine condition. If you want a more rugged build, the Live Free NC Plus TWS is the one to get. It has an IPX7 rating for better water resistance, while the Live Pro Plus TWS is rated IPX4. Okay, so the Live Pro Plus comes with more earbud sizes, so you have a better chance of getting one that is more suited to your ears and the best sound quality. The accompanying JBL headphones app offers an EQ option, but the default settings should be enough for most users as the level of bass is more than acceptable for those who want to get lost in their own world of music, provided that you get the optimum fit. The Live Free NC Plus, on the other hand, only comes with 3 earbud sizes, and we found it a bit difficult to get a tight fit, but the sound quality will be better for those who prefer a much more balanced profile. Both earbuds also feature active noise cancellation and ambient noise control, which can either be controlled via the app or by a single tap to toggle between different noise cancellation modes and a double tap to toggle the talk-through mode. You can configure the earbuds to control playback or volume, but we find it bothersome that the tap and hold feature can't be configured to something other than activating your phone's virtual assistant, so you'll be forced to choose what is more important to you between the 3 functions. Now, for people who want to stay focused and keep the noise away, the JBL Live 460 NC on-ear headphones and JBL 660 NC over-ear headphones are perfect to go for. The JBL Live 460 NC on-ear headphones and JBL Live 660 NC are equipped with 40mm drivers that are tuned to JBL's signature sound. They feature adaptive noise cancellation and smart ambient controls. Surprisingly, they are advertised to run for a total of 50 hours with their ANC turned off. And when it comes to design, both models are composed of quality materials including plastic, aluminum, leather, and canvas. There is no IP rating listed for these headphones, so you should be mindful of where you leave them and how you use them. For instance, the canvas wrapping around the headband attracts a lot of dirt, especially on the white version, which also makes scuffs and scratches more noticeable. On the right side, both models have a 2.5mm audio jack, a multifunction button that enables playback, call management, and digital assistance, as well as volume rockers that either raise or lower sound or skip back or forward a track. Above the 3-button module is a spring-loaded power toggle that has a nice recoil effect, while below it is a Bluetooth button and ambient aware button to cycle through the different listening modes. These all produce solid tactility to ensure that the intended commands are met. Meanwhile, found on the left side is the USB-C port for charging. Both headphones include a 2.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening audio, enabling you to divert the battery power towards the active noise cancellation. Besides the buttons, Google Assistant is automatically activated once you touch and hold the left ear cup for both models. Honestly, it's hard to find fault with its large speakers and JBL signature sound, which is great for those who want to use these headphones for more professional work, or for leisurely listening for audio audiophiles who demand the best sound quality out of their cans. What sets the two apart is their overall design and its effect on noise cancelling. The JBL Live 660NC has a closed back over-the-ear design, which provides more comfort and more room for the active noise cancellation to filter out external noise. The ANC in this device is not as strong as other devices, but it's enough to filter out any outside white noise, especially if you're on the go. Talk-through is also available for those who need to be aware of your surroundings, or if you're just making a transaction on the go. The Live Pro 460 has an on-ear design, which some of you might prefer due to its smaller size, and JBL has compensated for the possibility of external sound leaking to your ears by making the ANC a bit stronger for our tastes. So whether you go for an on-ear or an over-the-ear design, you'll surely appreciate JBL's care in ensuring you get the best JBL experience out of their headphones. Now let's talk about the price. The JBL Live Free NC Plus TWS is priced at 8,599 pesos, then that's 9,199 pesos for the JBL Live Pro Plus TWS. For the JBL Live 460 NC, that's 6,999 pesos, and lastly, the JBL Live 660 NC is priced at 10,999 pesos. All these items will be available in all JBL stores, authorized dealers, and online stores. So that's it. Whether you need a companion to enjoy your favorite music, stream your favorite videos, create content that would surely make the world a better place, or simply connect with your loved ones and colleagues, JBL has some excellent earphones and headphones to suit your needs. And these four products are a solid place to start. If you have any questions or thoughts on these headphones and earphones, do let us know in the comments below. And like usual, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit gigatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.